boys and girls, give your mom and dad a wave so they know where you're at. Okay, so they can see where you're at. Okay, are we ready? Here we go. Welcome, parents, grandmas and grandpas, aunts, uncles, friends, brothers and sisters, to our springtime show at Kensington School. Spring is a special time on the farm with the sprouting of new crops and the birth of baby animals. As we step out of the barn door, there are many things that tell us it must be spring.